Hello Year 1. We're now looking at lesson 3 to do with time, and we're trying to think about using 3 words in our lesson today. It's the word next, before and after. Right, let's have a look at the picture. Let's have a look at our in focus. And it says here, Ravi wrote down the things that he did yesterday evening. Let's have a look what he did. So it tells us here we've got 5 o'clock. I played with my toys. I've written 5 o'clock on there. On the next picture it says 6 o'clock on the clock. And at 6 o'clock I read some stories. Look at the next picture here. 7:30. So the minute hand, the long hand, the red hand is pointing at the 6. And the hour hand is gone past the 7. So it's 7:30. So at 7:30, what did he do? I did my homework. Then the next clock, it says 8 o'clock. At 8 o'clock, I got ready for bed. There's 8 o'clock. The next clock, 7 o'clock, I watched TV. The next clock and the next picture is 6:30. We're looking at the clock. I had a bath. And then the last picture says 8:30. It's gone past the 8. 8:30, I went to sleep. Now, the question says, what did he do first and what did he do last? Because these are not in the right order. So can we see if we could put them together in the right order? You might want to pause the video and have a go on your own and try it. Or you can leave it running and do it with me, your choice. So let's have a look. Let's start with our first time. We've got 5 o'clock. Let's put that there. So we need to put them in order. So there's 5 o'clock. Let's move the next time. We've got 6 o'clock. Let's put 6 o'clock there. What's the next one say? 7:30. Let's put 7:30 there. So we're putting them in this order because 6 o'clock comes after 5 o'clock. 7:30 comes after 6 o'clock. Or we could say 6 o'clock comes before 7:30. Let's put the next one up. We've got 8 o'clock. And where's that going to go? Can that go here? Does 8 o'clock come after 7:30? Yes, it does. So we can put that there. Let me move these over a little bit so I have a bit more space. Careful because it's a bit wobbly there. Okay. So let's see if that's right so far. 5 o'clock. After 5 o'clock comes 6 o'clock. Is that right? Yes. After 6 o'clock comes 7:30. Yes. After 7:30 comes 8 o'clock. Yes. Let's look at the next time we've got here. We've got 7 o'clock. Now, I can't put that there. What does 7 o'clock come after? Let's move that over. Can it go in there? Does 7 o'clock come... Does 7 o'clock come after 7:30? Well, it certainly comes before 8 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock then 8 o'clock. But does it come before or after 7:30? That's right. It comes before, so we have to put it there. Let's see if that works. 7 o'clock. After 7 o'clock comes 7:30. Well done. And then 8 o'clock. And is this right here? Does 7 o'clock come after 6 o'clock? Yes, it does. So that's what our times are so far. So we've got 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Let's see what our next time is. Here it is. 6:30. Can I put that there? Does 6:30 come after 8 o'clock? No. Would it go in between there? Does it go 7:30, 6:30, 8 o'clock? No. Could it come in between these two? Does it go 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7:30? No. What about in between here? 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock. That's right, well done. So let's move these over. A little bit there, and 7:30. So let's see if that's right so far. We have 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. Now we have one more, and it says 8:30. Where would this go? 8:30. Well done. Yes, after there. So let's have a look at these times. So our first time is 5 o'clock. Let's look at a clock. Let's see if we can do this on the clock and see the time go with the clock. So there's 5 o'clock. The next time says 6 o'clock. So we move it round one whole turn, one whole hour, and it's 6 o'clock. There we go. The next time says 6:30. If we go halfway round, we've got 6:30. The next time says 7 o'clock. Another halfway round. There's 7 o'clock. Then it's 7:30, so halfway round again. And we've got 7:30, and that's gone past the 7, so it's 7:30. Then we have 8 o'clock. And then the last one is 8:30. So we've put the times in order. 5 o'clock's the first. Next it's 6 o'clock. Next it's 6:30. Next it's 7. Next it's 7:30. Next it's 8 o'clock. And last it's 8:30. The one before 8:30 is 8 o'clock. So the question said, what did he do first? Well, what did he do at 5 o'clock? That's right, he played with his toys. Well done. And what did Ravi do last? Well, if we look here, it's what did he do at 8:30? That's right, he went to sleep. Let's have a look on the next page at the pictures being put in order for us. Here we go. There we go. So first, we've put these all in order. First, at 5 o'clock in the morning, he played with his toys. Second, at 6 o'clock in the evening, he read some stories. 5 o'clock in the evening. Third, at 6:30 in the evening, he had a bath. Fourth, at 7 o'clock in the evening, he watched TV. Fifth, at 7:30 in the evening, he did his homework. Sixth, at 8 o'clock at night, he got ready for bed. And seventh, at 8:30 at night, he went to sleep. Well done, we got those in the right order. Let's have a look at the second one here. So this says, this is number 2. What time is this? That's right, it's 7 o'clock. I watched TV. Question says, what did Ravi do next? What was the next thing he did? The next thing he did was at 7:30, and at 7:30 I did my homework. That's what he did next. Look at number 3. At 6:30, Ravi said, I had a bath. What did he do before his bath? So we have to look earlier. What did he do at 6 o'clock? And then what did he do after his bath? Well, what did he do before? What did he do at 6 o'clock? At 6 o'clock, I read some stories before my bath. And then what did he do after his bath? So after 6:30, it went to 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock, I watched TV after my bath. Now, on this page, we've got a timetable that Holly has on a Monday morning at school. And it tells us that at 9 o'clock, Holly has maths. Then it tells us at 9:30, she does reading. Then it says at 10 o'clock, she has her break. At 10:30, she does PE. And then at 11 o'clock, she does some spelling. So let's see if we can answer these questions. First one. What did she study at 11 o'clock? Can you tell me? That's right, she did her spelling. There's our 11 o'clock, she did spelling. Next question. What did she study at 9:30? Can you see where 9:30 is? That's right, well done. It's this one here. And she studied her reading. Next question. What did she have before break? Okay, so here's her break. What did she have before break? So we go back one. She had her reading. Well done. D. What did she have after break? What did she have after break? There's her break, which was after break. So that was 10 o'clock, which was the next one. After was 10:30, and it was PE. Well done. And the last question, after PE, what did she have next? That's right, it's spelling. Well done. Have a go at worksheet 3, page 109.